Assalamu alaikum. In today's video I'm going to discuss about how to integrate Google site with Google Analytics. For this we need Google site and Google Analytics property. First we will create a Google site and then we will publish it and then we can integrate the Google site with Google Analytics. So first we are going to create a Google site, then we will create a Google Analytics and then we will integrate and we will track the live data. And when we come to Google site website, so it display a window where we can directly choose any template or we can create a custom blank site and we can design our own. Okay, so once we have a custom site or we can use any template, so I'm using for a demo purpose this template. And first of all, yes, okay, I have opened the template, then we can go here and we can publish the template. When we are clicking on publish, so it's open like this. But I already have published this template, but if you want to create another one new template, so what you can do, you can come here and you can open any template. After opening a template, you will click on publish button. When you click on publish button, so you can select here your website name, what you want to name your website, like the relevant name to your original website. Because it's a Google site, we have our blogger site or we have any service based site, so we can name it here and we can choose from here anyone. Because if we make it private, so Google will not crawl the website, so we can make it anyone. And here is the setting, search setting. From here we doesn't click in because we want that Google can display, Google can crawl the website, Google can show our website on a Google search. Okay, so once I can give a name here, name. Okay, so it's published now. From here, what we will do, we will come to Google Analytics property. From Google Analytics, we will set up a proper setup from here. Like for example, I'm creating this Google property by my name. So from here, we can come here to this one. Now I will give them a name. You can choose any location. If you are existing in USA, you can choose a USA name. If you want to choose any United States, you can. If you want to choose any Gulf countries, you can. So from here I'm choosing United States. Next, from here you can select any business or business category. For business category, I'm selecting business and industrial. Now we have employee of 1 to 10. It doesn't matter how much you want, but you can take and you can continue. From here, we are measuring traffic, or you can measure any user engagement, retention, whatever you need. So you can click and go forward. From here, we can come here and now accept it. Yeah. From here, what you will do, we will click on web. From web, it's need here our website name. From website name, we will select here. When we publish, it will give us a URL. If I can click on here, so it gave us a URL. From URL, what I will do, I will copy paste the URL. Like this is the URL. I will copy this URL and I will come here and I will put the URL here without HTTPS. Okay. So after this, I will give here a name, any name, Fahad Farouk SEO. Now you can create. After creating, you will click on next. It's give you a code, like it's a Google tag that you can manually put on your website. But here what we will do, we will just select this one, this tag. Because if you can come here, from here we will come to setting. From setting we can come to analytics. From analytics, they need Google Analytic tracking or measurement ID. So what we will do, we will come here and we can like keep this tracking ID from here, and we can come to the site. Okay, and we can put here. After putting here, like the tracking is installed. Now we are doing live test. Just we will wait for some time. Once it's detect, so we will move forward. error like data collection is inactive, we will come here manually and we can test again. It's activated, so now we can check the data. We will come here from the property and we will select the one which we have created now. From here we will select the property. Now I have select the property Fahad Farouk. If you can see here, it's a newly created, no data received from your website yet. So what I will do, I will come here and I will open this website. This is my site and I will open it. After some time they will display the data. Everything is okay, just need to confirm this. It can collect the data. Now you can see here, now it's collecting a proper data. From Pakistan it's collecting data. If we can change the location, so from wherever you are, so it will collect the data. So this will help you to index the site, because we already select the option that Google can display, or Google can show our website in the search engine. And plus we already connect Google Analytics with the Google site. So this is the process. If you want, if you have any question relevant to this, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.